Example, if x minus 3 varies directly as the square of y and x equals 5 when y equals 2, find x when y equals 6. Now, to find the value of x in this case, we need to find the formula connecting x and y first. So, solution. We interpret the first line, which says if x minus 3 varies directly as the square of y, that is the symbol for variation as the square of y, that is y raised to the power of 2, and this with the introduction of a constant would give x minus 3 equals k y squared, where k is the constant of variation. Now we'll find our constants by using the first set of values we were given, that is x equals 5 and y equals 2. So when x equals 5 and y equals 2, our formula gives us 5 minus 3 equals k times y squared, that is 2 raised to the power of 2. Now 5 minus 3 here we have 2 equals 2 raised to the power of 2 means 2 times 2 times k, that gives us 4k. And to find k, we divide both sides by the coefficient of k, which is 4. So divide both sides by 4. And we have 2 divided by 4 equals 4k over 4. And here we have 4 goes in 4, 1, 4 goes in 4, 1. So at this side we have just 1k over 1, which is written as k. And here we have 2 goes here, 1, 2 goes here, 2, 1 over 2, which can be written as k equals 1 over 2. So now we can have our formula. We substitute k equals 1 over 2 into this. We'll be having x minus 3 equals 1 over 2y squared. So this is just the formula connecting x and y. And we'll be able to find x when y equals to 6. So when y equals 6, we'll be having x minus 3 equals 1 over 2 times 6 raised to the power of 2. We have x minus 3 equals 1 over 2 times 6 raised to the power of 2 here means 6 times 6, which is just 36. And here we can divide out. 2 goes there, 1. 2 goes in 18. 2 goes in 3, 1 remainder, 1. 2 goes in 16, 8. So we have 18 multiplied by 1 over 1, which gives us 18 at this side. And here we are still having x minus 3. From here, we can collect like terms, bring minus 3 to this side. So we have x equals 18, what we have originally at this side, plus 3. And x equals 21. So that means, therefore, x equals 21 when y equals 6. Thank you.